nurtured multiple blooming minds and souls and led them towards excellence and success. As the motto of our school says, raise the standards, here all the teachers put their efforts to shape our future so that we can be future ready and set the benchmark of academic excellence and face the challenges and win over them. Our school, JJ's Nacharam, provides a 360-degree academic support along with the diverse curriculum and co-curriculum activities. Apart from that, our school is also the top in imparting quality education. When we enter the school campus,